Hello children, welcome back to Learning Online with Ranita. So today we are going to start with the Living English workbook for class 3. Chapter number 9, Dorothy and the Scarecrow. You already know, I've already told you this before, that in workbooks, what are workbooks? Workbooks are exercise books where we read the chapters given to us and we do the entire thing, like question answers, fill in the blanks, everything in the book itself. Okay, that is called a workbook. Now, Dorothy and the Scarecrow. Comprehension. Read this passage. One day, Scarecrow and Tin Woodman took a boat ride on the river. Suddenly, the boat bumped into a rock. Tin Woodman fell into the river. Scarecrow dived to save his friend. So what happened? One day, Scarecrow and Tin Woodman, both of them took a boat ride on the river, and the boat bumped into a rock, banged into a rock, and Tin Woodman fell into the river. Now, as friends do, Scarecrow also dived in to save his friend. But Tin Woodman was so light that he only floated in the water. He was very light. A flock of crows started laughing. Okay, the crows were laughing at this Tin Woodman. Now the Scarecrow is saying, "Don't laugh." Scarecrow said, "Help my friend out. Tie the fishing line to him," said a crow. "We will hold it and fly and pull him up." So now the Scarecrow requested the crows not to laugh at his friend and try to help them out. Now the crow is saying, "Tie the fishing line to him and we will hold it and fly and pull him up." Scarecrow did as he was told. He tied the line to his waist as well, so he would not lose it in the water. Now this Scarecrow was very smart enough. He did the same thing as he was told to do, but he also tied the line, the rope, to his waist because he did not want to lose it in the river. The birds flapped their wings and rose into the air. The woodman came out of the water, but Scarecrow too was in the air. "Put me down," said Scarecrow. Now Scarecrow was very afraid. He was also in the air. "Ha ha ha! Scarecrow is scared of crows." The birds flew high over the forest. Scarecrow was terrified. At last they dropped Scarecrow and Tin Woodman on the river bank. Clear? So that is it, children. This is the story. Now the crows had helped them land in a safer place because they were in danger. Yes, they were acting little, as if they were not interested and they were just joking, but they were not. Now let's move on to the exercises. The first part is tick the correct answers. Let's start then. Scarecrow and Woodman took a dash, ferry ride, boat ride, or jolly ride. Which one would be the correct answer, children? Well, I know you already know the answer. The answer would be boat ride. Correct. Now let's move on to the next one. Scarecrow dashed into the river to save Tin Woodman. The correct answer would be dived. So the Scarecrow dived into the river. Next one, a flock of crows started laughing. Next one, Scarecrow tied the fishing line to his waist. Okay. Then we can see a small question given. Why was Scarecrow terrified? The answer would be Scarecrow was terrified because he was afraid of crows and he thought they would drop him. Clear? Now the next part is, children, you can see already it's done. Basically, see, it's given fill in the blanks with short forms of these words. Since I know you need to learn this, that's why I've already written the answers from first. See, we are using some short forms out here. I'm becomes I am. I'm becomes I am. He is, he's. Is not, isn't. We are, we're. Okay, we are. It's given in short form. We just use apostrophe in between. The next one, choose and write the right words that are opposite. So, choose and write the opposites. Sweet, bitter. Light would be dark. We have to choose the correct options and write down. Let's move on to the next page. Difficult, easy, early, late, sharp, blunt. Now the next one is match the words in the column to make new words. As you can see, some words are given this side in both column A and B. Clock, rain, book, over, foot. The first one is done for us. Overcoat. So we have to just match them. I'm trying to match up some answers with you. So clock, work, rain, bow, book, worm, overcoat, football. Table would be cloth and cup would be board. Okay, so you've seen the answers. Now the next one. Add full or nest to the words in brackets. Use them to fill in the blanks. This is a dash pot. Colorful. Anjali did not come to school last week because of her illness. It is very peaceful inside the church. Okay. The owl hooted in the stillness of the night. Aruna wore a cheerful smile on her face. The thickness of the fence is 2 inches. Is it clear, children? I hope this part is clear to you and you've understood this. Now let's move on to the next page. Circle the words that does not rhyme in each set. We have to circle the words that do not rhyme with the others. I've already done it. Check. Cool, poor, stool, fool. So here the correct answer would be poor. Could, would, mold, should. So mold is different. Ash, mash, wash, trash. So ash, mash and trash are same. Wash. It's a different pronunciation. That is the odd one out. Tough, rough, cuff, enough. Great, cheat, treat, meet. Like this. Okay, we're just doing it like this. We're just trying to get the correct words that does not rhyme in the whole set. So again, I would like to repeat the answers. The first one would be poor, mold, wash, great, enough, good. Okay. Moving on to the next one. Fill in the blanks with IE or EI and complete the words. I've already done it. C. Field, FIELD, THEIR, RECEIVE, NIECE, CHIEF, WEIGHT, BRIEF, PIECE. So I'll repeat the words and I'm going to pronounce them. Field, there, receive, niece, chief, wait, brief, please. Now the next one says punctuation. We've got to add capital letters, full stops and exclamation marks and rewrite the sentences. The question is, once in Rome, a poor slave named Androcles ran away from his master. So see, I've already written it in punctuation, correct punctuation. Okay. So see, I've written O in capital, R in capital, A in capital and I have put a full stop. Again, in the next sentence, H capital and at the end I've put a full stop. The next one now. So the lion was in great pain and held out its paw. So again, the same things would be done out here. We would be writing it this way. The, again capital T and full stop at the end. A huge thorn. See, wherever we are seeing a proper noun, we are putting a capital letter. Okay, now the next one. So proper nouns will be given like that. Now the next part is conjunctions. You've already done them before. Rita and her family were traveling by train. They were going to the hills because it was very hot. Okay, the hills stations we go in summer, isn't it? Because hill stations are cold at that time and it gives us some kind of relief. So this is the next answer. The two answers you know. The next ones now. Rita was hungry, so she wanted to have breakfast. Mohan was not very hungry, but he agreed to eat along with everybody. So you know opposites, whenever we have opposites in the sentence, we use but. They had fruit and sandwiches. Father asked mother if she wanted to have some tea or coffee. They were happy and excited. Clear? Now children, see the next part. It's given, tell a story with the help of these hints. So we are given some hints out here. Okay, and we have to use them and we have to tell a story. So the hints are like this. Taylor lived in a village. Elephant also lived there. Elephant came to Taylor's shop every day. Taylor gave him fruits and vegetables. They became good friends. One day, Taylor was in a hurry. Pricked elephant's trunk with needle by mistake. Elephant filled trunk with mud and water from river. Emptied trunk over Taylor and his shop. Taylor begged for forgiveness. That is how the story goes. Now the next one is, have you ever traveled away from home? Where did you go? How did you go? Why did you go? And what did you see on the way? You have to write a paragraph on this. Both of these would be homework because these are writing skills and I know you would be able to do this on your own. Okay, children, that's it for today and we'll be seeing you again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Lots of love. Bye. And yes, do subscribe the channel and like the video. Bye.